then he can't fuck neither. If he can't dance, then he can't fuck neither. If he can't dance, then he can't fuck neither. And if he can't fuck, bitch, I wouldn't wanna be a.
Could've been my number one mate, just a pawn in the game we played. Got caught up and snuffed out this flame. Could've been a unit, but you blew it, what a shame. Still scared to be alone, but getting cooler when I speak. This shit'll break a fucking piece of me, but fuck it, I delete it. Preaching freedom and bereavement, being scared, but fucking keeping me. Speaking to the people, taking pictures of the broken me. Overculture, notions, broken faults, and hoping, hopeless, croaking, overdose, but only fucking holding on to homies. Slowly broken over, open, closing hoaxes, I'm the leader. Freud up in this bitch, man, you could suck a peanut. We finna fuck these humans up, and when we cut these little fucks, I spit a bunch of humor up, insulting culture, luminous. Leak 10 of these defeated suckers, beat a bunch of freedom nuts. You could've been my feature, fuck the people you've been dreaming of.
You could've been my number one mate, just a pawn in the game we played. Got caught up and snuffed out this flame. Could've been a unit, but you blew it, what a shame. You could've been my number one mate, just a pawn in the game we played. Got caught up and snuffed out this flame. Could've been a unit, but you blew it, what a shame.
Hey yo, I'm glad that bitch escaped you, Mike. Hoes can keep their coochie tight. Bragging rights aside, you know she fucking with the hopeless fight, so we can catch the vibe that she fucking with. String him up to die, make the lies all expire. Find him flying while you work on you. Watch that bitch get closer too.
Joke's on you.
Fuck it with the best and kissing lumberjacks. You nasty boo. Fuck away the pain, you know the feeling ain't the same. And when she comes back, she can get that ass tap. You can tell her that's fact. Bitches always love that. Bending over backwards, get some motherfuckers love smack. Others brought to fuck us up for real though. Dosing out the pain's a fucking game, and she's a real hoe. I tell you what I really know.
If he can't dance, then he can't fuck neither. If he can't dance, then he can't fuck neither. If he can't dance.